Guess what time it is? It's kombucha time.
All right, hit it.
So after I did my last episode about kombucha, where I was less than flattering for this effervescent, probiotic-filled bottle of goodness, no, it's pretty bad. Wishing I had something to wash that horrible sting in the back of my throat. I was sent a bottle by GT's, again, a highly recommended brand, Synergy Organic Kombucha Mystic Mango. Mango is one of my favorite flavors. They say these are each handcrafted in small batches, so let's give this one a try. The signature kombucha. Oh, I'm sorry, GT's. Delicious. Okay, there's like some kind of weird stuff floating in this, worse than the other two. I'm not sure if that's the SCOBY. Lot more bubbles. Here goes. Okay, I'm not a fan of the aftertaste. I never really was for all the times I've tried it. I do admit this one tastes a little bit like mango, like a dirty mango. You're not supposed to eat kind of mango. Not bad, not like it's overripe or has been eaten by fire ants. But definitely not something, again, I would seek out. I am finding out though with these kombuchas, and I found this out with the last two bottles, that I kind of like it more if it becomes flat, if that's the right word for it. So thank you, GT's. Please, if you're buying kombucha, buy GT's kombucha. If you love kombucha, love GT's kombucha. I love them for thinking of me. I'm just still not a fan of kombucha. Comment, like, and subscribe.